we're going to discuss burning fat while maintaining and keeping muscle. You can gain fat easier and faster than you can gain muscle, but you can also lose fat faster than you lose muscle if you do the right things. So first you have to make sure you're doing the things to make fat loss happen, being in a caloric deficit, the type of food that you eat, making sure that it's the right type of food, and then of course your activity level. So the first way that you do this, that you lose fat without losing muscle, maintaining and or building muscle, is making sure that you're doing the right type of cardio for burning fat and maintaining or building muscle. It's going to be things related to high intensity cardio. Think about the runners. You have marathon runners, you have sprinters. Which one of those two are often the most jacked? It's the sprinters. Marathon runners have a lean, skinny body type with almost no muscle on it, or little muscle. And sprinters, they're slim, they're lean, but they have that lean muscle. That's because sprinting, high intensity cardio, scientifically known to burn fat easier than it is when you're jogging or walking. One, sprinting is more anabolic. Sprinting will increase your testosterone more than walking or slow paced cardio. It falls in line with the same reason why they say, in terms of all the activity level that you can do to increase testosterone and build an overall muscular physique, it's just working out, getting in the gym, lifting weights. Those activities is proven to increase your testosterone the most. Sprinting is the same thing because it involves explosive movements, which is a principle that you use when you're lifting weights. You're using more of your body's power to move yourself, which is more anabolic movement, testosterone increasing activity. And of course, a higher testosterone, the more muscle you build and the more fat you burn. Jogging doesn't increase your testosterone, and especially walking doesn't increase your testosterone like sprinting does. Also, as you know, fat loss is a matter of burning more calories than you take in day to day. And sprinting burns more calories the most efficiently out of any other cardiovascular exercise, meaning your body uses glucose for energy more than relying heavily on oxygen. That's because of the more forceful the movement is that you're doing a repetition, the more your body is going to recruit other energy sources in order to fuel that forceful repetition movement. Jogging, walking, not too forceful, so your body's not going to need to recruit other energy sources like glucose and like your fat cells. The high intensity nature of sprinting will elevate your metabolism, which means that your body continues to burn more calories even at rest. And that's when your body goes into real fat burning mode. You increase your metabolism and your body's ability to burn calories at rest. But now, what's your nutrition need to look like when you're burning fat and maintaining muscle or building muscle using cardio? Your diet, ideally, with that type of cardio, is going to need to be high protein, moderate carbs, moderate fat, healthy fats. And proteins that you want to make sure are high in your diet that you really want to include are proteins that are high in leucine, that have a high leucine content, because not all proteins are made equal. And leucine is the most important form of protein that the body uses to build muscle. And making sure you're getting in a lot of healthy fats. So again, salmon, good and healthy fats. Avocados, good and healthy fats. And mixed nuts, good and healthy fats. Going back to eggs, good and healthy fats. Greek yogurt, good and healthy fats. Even extra virgin olive oil, good and healthy fats. And you see that a lot of these foods that I'm mentioning and healthy fats also are good and healthy fats, the top food sources for the highest quality protein that you need. Now, the third thing is exercise. You can accomplish this goal without working out, but your progress will be a lot slower. And when you do work out, you want to focus on the compound movements. Those are the highest testosterone producing workouts. This means compound movements like bench press, squat, deadlift, overhead shoulder press, all with isolating your muscles, doing individual workouts. Bicep curls, lat pull downs, tricep extensions, leg extensions, leg curls, so on and so forth. In terms of the calories that you're eating, you want to make sure that you are in a caloric deficit, so consuming less calories than your body's maintenance level. So if 2,500 calories is your body's typical maintenance level, in order to just maintain the weight that you always keep, if it's 2,500, you're going to want to eat about 2,000 calories. And a big reason why compound movements are always advertised as the best kind of exercise you can do for this goal is because they involve more muscle groups at the same time than any other exercise. They're the most anaerobic exercises. They're the most testosterone producing exercises. You can overload those exercises better, and it's just the best at filling out your frame. But if you want something that you can add into your nutrition that'll not only help you do that, help your body mobilize and utilize your own fat cells to burn as fuel and energy for your body. While you're working out, I'd recommend L-Carnitine. L-Carnitine increases your fat metabolism. Your body's main and primary go-to for energy is the glucose and the calories that you get from the food that you eat, and it doesn't go to your fat cells to burn as fuel, so your fat just remains there. But when you do things like the activities that I mentioned and you're consuming L-Carnitine, L-Carnitine does make your body burn fat as energy. Anytime you can use fat to burn for energy, that's going to only increase your weight loss and your fat burning while helping you maintain muscle. This is the one that I've been taking, and it's what I used last year, and it's what I'm using currently in order to get shredded like I did while utilizing all the methods that I discussed in this video. It's actually by Cutler, who is a professional bodybuilder. and it has 3 different types of carnitine in it, along with B vitamins, which B vitamins, out of all the vitamins, B vitamins are the best at providing your body with energy and energy metabolism from your food. So it has B vitamins to give you extra energy on top of the L-Carnitine that makes your body burn fat as energy. Take it before working out or doing cardio or both. 30-60 minutes before those activities, fuel your body with the proper nutrition. So if you want to try this Cutler L-Carnitine, the link is going to be in the description. You can check it out. So those are going to be the easiest ways to burn fat and build muscle, or even just burn fat and maintain muscle. It's sprinting, eating a high protein diet with healthy fats and moderate carbs. L-Carnitine, in my opinion, is one of the best supplements to burn fat and build muscle. And the best type of activities are gonna be weightlifting, specifically compound movements like bench, squat, deadlift, overhead shoulder press, in order to fill out your frame, give you the most anabolic, testosterone producing exercises you can do, which will help you, of course, do what I've been talking about this whole video: burn fat and build muscle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like what you saw. Until next time, good and healthy fats.